Hey everyone, welcome back to the Almost Naked Chef. I'm your host Miranda May, and I'm bringing you a 3-ingredient Thursday recipe that may or may not make you feel good naked. This was a recipe I made over the holidays and maybe not a good idea to bring it into January. However, it's nice to have in your freezer and it's only 3 simple ingredients. So I think that this is a lovely little dessert to have, and it can be guilt-free-ish if you have 2 squares in your sleep and forget about it. I'm just kidding. So it is a 3-ingredient fudge. It is inspired entirely by the Hillbilly Kitchen. Love their YouTube channel. They use 2 ingredients, and so I've added the 3rd and then a highly suggested topping. So it is a 3 base ingredients. However, there is an added bonus of a topping of sea salt. So we have our chocolate chips, and I like to weigh it out because as per the Hillbilly Kitchen, they say to use 1 whole bag. But I found that making it, I enjoyed doing 275 grams of chocolate chips. I know it's only 15 grams less and it may seem weird. You have your sweetened condensed milk. And it says to put a whole can in there. 5.25. Okay, perfect. And I like to have a little bit left over because I'm going to do something else with it in a bit. Anywho's, the 3rd ingredient is the vanilla extract, pure vanilla. It's best to use the non-alcoholic one, but I don't have that one. So just 1 little capful and that's it. Super simple. Give it a little stir. We can take it off. Right. Love having one of these scales. So just give it a little mix around with the chip bits. Just give it a teensy little mix around. And then it's just gonna go in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then 30 seconds. So you want to line a pan with parchment paper. I made the mistake of using wax paper. I don't really know what the difference is, but I think it stuck a little bit too much. So line a pan just however you want with parchment paper. I mean, it might come out, might be annoying, but who cares? Good stuff. Give it a good stir around. Excellent. And then what you're gonna want to do is quickly transfer it into the parchment paper so it can cool. There we go. It's now in there. It's already starting to harden, as you can see. So I like to generously put salt on top of it, like generously. I love that. Like salted chocolate, yum. That's great. It's snowing on it. And then kind of fold it over and put it in the fridge for about an hour to set. And there we have it. Some amazing fudge, 3-ingredient Thursday fudge. And you really can't go wrong. It is a beautiful little snack to have just in the fridge, or in the freezer rather. It keeps quite nicely in the freezer for quite a while. And you know, if you have random guests over, if you want to have a little gift for a friend, you know, a little sweet treat when you see them. And it's nice to just cut up from the freezer and put it in a cute little bag and give it to them. So hopefully, even though it's January, you still are indulging just a teensy bit, you know, and enjoying yourselves with certain things. So be sure to tune in next week with the Almost Naked Chef. And if you come up with another ingredient or 2 to add into the fudge, then certainly tag the Almost Naked Chef. We'll see you next week.